Hey, be honest. Do you ever have this morning quest where you open the fridge and it just stares back at you empty-eyed, and then like two heroes of a romantic drama, a sausage and a piece of cheese, are lying side by side? Well, that's fate. They need to be united. So, what's your go-to emergency breakfast? Well, you need some lavash, sausages, cheese, eggs, salt and pepper, and of course oil. Grate the cheese. Did you know the oldest cheese was found in Egypt, more than 3,200 years old? People figure out a long time ago, if you store milk wrong, you end up with a new product. And now we can't live without cheese. Lightly beat the eggs. In Persia, they used to give them in a string as a symbol of life. For us, they're just a symbol that breakfast will be filling. Now the most interesting part, lavash. It looks like simple bread, but in Armenia, it's treated almost like sacred. It's baked in a clay oven, tenders at around 400 Celsius. The dough is rolled so thin, it almost shines. Women in villages would gather to bake lavash together, talking about weddings, harvest news. It wasn't just a food, it was a ritual of connection. There's even a superstition: if lavash tears at a table, it means quarrels in the family. That's why it's always folded carefully with respect. So what you need to do is wrap a sausage with cheese inside a strip of lavash and fry. And in 5 minutes, you have got a dish you can honestly call street food at home. If shawarma had a baby, it would definitely look like this roll. Sausages were invented in Vienna in the 19th century. Street vendors sold them right out of carts. Then immigrants brought them to America, and that's how the hot dog was born. So look, the sausage traveled half the world, met Armenian lavash, and we ended up with a breakfast express. The cultural collab of the century. The rolls are ready, crispy outside, stretchy cheese inside. Eternal question for you: ketchup, sour cream, or mustard? I'm team sour cream, but it's funny that even sauce can make the same dish feel American, German, or homemade. If the cheese didn't stretch, it's just camera shy. If you like this recipe, hit subscribe to the page. It's like keeping an extra pack of lavash at home. Always comes in handy. Alright guys, I'm off to fry a second batch. This roll disappears faster than iPhone battery in the morning. See you in the next video. Don't linger at the fridge too long. It already knows way too much about you. Bye!